the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Hey, all my beautiful nail besties. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, we are doing some mermaid junk nails. I am so excited for these. I have been seeing the mermaid nails everywhere, and I had to hop on this trend. I do kind of give it my own take though, because I really don't like to copy other people's work. I try to recreate it with my own little, spark to it. So let's get right into it. I will be using the Kalisa gels I got from Temu, the purple and the teal, for the colors of the nails, and I will do the purple on the bottom half of my nail and then the teal on the top half, and then blend them together to create a beautiful ombre. And when you're doing this, I do leave my first color wet when I put on my second color and then blend those together. I know some people will put on their first color, cure that, and then add the second color and try and blend them like that. I just find that it blends a lot easier for me if I leave them both wet. So I am just applying that purple very carefully, trying not to flood my eponychium. After applying the desired amount of that, again, I do not cure, and I come in with the teal next, applying that as close to the purple as I can get without actually getting the purple on my brush. I absolutely love these reflective gels from Temu. They were so worth the $36. Now I'm going to take my ombre blender brush, and I absolutely love this thing. If you do not have one, I highly recommend you get one. It makes blending stuff out so easy, so seamless. I just love this brush. It is perfect for beginners, but you can just take a regular gel brush and swipe it horizontally or vertically depending on which way your ombre is going, and that works just as well to blend this out. So just going in very carefully, blending that out. Once I have it how I like it, I will pop that in the nail lamp for 60 seconds to cure. My camera's so confused it doesn't know what to focus on from all those sparkles. Look at how pretty that is. Now I do apply the rest of the gel off camera because it is very repetitive, same process across all of them. After you're done with that, make sure you pop it in the nail lamp for 60 seconds to fully cure. Then I'm going to come in with some matte top coat on my thumb. I am going to be creating some 3D elements on my thumb, and I do really like how adding like a solid glue gel stays on the nail when you apply it to a matte top coat opposed to a regular top coat. They do attach or adhere just fine, but when doing it on a matte top coat, the matte top coat is a little more porous, so it really gives it something to grab onto good, if that makes sense. So I will just apply the matte top coat to my thumb, pop that in the nail lamp for 30 seconds to cure, and then I was going to use my Model 1 rhinestone glue, but that just was not working very well for me. So I come in with my MAKARTT solid glue gel, and I'm going to be creating like a seashell look. So you will start at the outer edge, close to your free edge, and apply a little dollop, like make a little ball of it, and once you get the ball the right size, you'll start to drag it out, and it'll slowly start to taper out down the nail, giving it a very cool seashell effect. Once I got that applied how I like it, before curing, I do come in with a pearl-like rhinestone, and I do cure it after that, but off camera, I do come back in later on and add some more bling to my thumb just because I thought it looked a little plain. But again, once you have this the way you like it and you've applied any bling that you want, pop it in the nail lamp for 60 seconds to cure to make sure that that solid glue gel fully cures all the way through. And again, here's me applying that little pearl-like rhinestone. Very cute. And I mean, this could be enough for some of you. I really wanted these to be fully blinged out because when I think of like mermaid junk nails, I think of like all the seashells and the gems and the rhinestones and just all that stuff piled onto the nail, if that makes sense. Once that is fully cured, I am going to come in with some mermaid chrome and apply that to just the three-dimensional parts of the thumbnail. Oh, I just love this thumbnail. It is so pretty. I love that seashell look. We are going to take that same mermaid chrome and apply it to my ring finger as well. Next, I'm going to take that same MAKARTT solid glue gel and apply it to my ring finger up by my eponychium so I can attach my rhinestones. But before I apply the rhinestones, I put the glue gel and then I float some top coat over it very carefully so you don't disrupt too much of the glue gel. You don't want to spread it down your nail too much, but float the top coat on and then apply your rhinestones how you like them. Once you have them placed how you like them, pop it in the nail lamp for 60 seconds to cure. And I won't be talking much throughout the rest of the video just because there is a lot of bling placement. Some of my bling placement didn't get recorded. I'm not sure what happened to that part of the video, but it is kind of just self-explanatory, you know. You're just going to be placing them where you feel fit, and I will show them better up close at the end so you can see how I did my bling placement. But I will go ahead and let this part play out let you guys enjoy some bling placement, and I will pop back in as needed. Another thing I did want to mention is when you are placing your bling, if you have caviar beads, I highly recommend that you stick them in between your bling and like one to the outer edge of your outer bling. It will make it look like jewelry and 10 times better. I highly recommend that if you have not tried it, you give it a try. For the middle finger, I am going to go in with that same solid glue gel and just apply a couple little dots where I'm going to be adding some bigger seashells and a little starfish type thing. I do apply that to a dollop to the nail first, but then I turn the little like gem type thing over because it is curved underneath, and apply more of that glue to the underside of it just so it is going to stick to my nail very well. Then I'm going to take some of the mermaid stickers I got in my recent Enail Couture haul. If you haven't checked that out yet, be sure to check it out. Lots of good stuff. And just apply some of those stickers randomly to my nail. Once my bling and stickers are placed where I like, I do go in with a final top coat of my Madam Glam No Wipe top coat, which is my favorite. It is so good. If you have not tried it, you have to. And oh my goodness, look at those nails. Sheesh! Absolutely beautiful. And then we are just going to top off these absolutely stunning nails with some cotton candy cuticle oil from Enail Couture, which smells amazing. I will leave some discount codes linked below for Madam Glam if you want to check them out. Oh, I love these nails. They are absolutely beautiful. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you are feeling generous, leave a comment down below. If you are not subscribed yet, please consider. I would love to have you join our Nail Bestie family, and we have lots of exciting videos coming up that you won't want to miss. So hit that subscribe button. You won't regret it, I promise. I can't stop staring at these. I love them so much. I hope you all enjoyed this short video today. I have tons of stuff coming up over the next couple of weeks, so be sure your post notifications are on so you don't miss anything. I hope you all have a great weekend. I love and appreciate you all so much, and I will see you in the next one. Love you. Bye.